Hi everybody, I thought I'd take a quick video on our latest post called Recipes for Future. So as you might have noticed, last week on Friday there were loads of demonstrations all over the world for climate justice, as it's now called. And I was very inspired by it and I thought, okay, what can we do with our website, on our website, to support that movement? I talked to Dave and Kat and we came up with Recipes for Future. As you might know, foods have certain carbon footprints. So, for example, beef has very high greenhouse emissions. Actually, some experts say it's better to stop eating beef instead of stopping to drive your car. It's that bad. Then on the other end of the spectrum, you have loads of foods that have a very low carbon footprint, like greens, like grains and beans, tofu, peanut butter, and all that sort of stuff. So in other words, vegan, plant-based foods, I'm with you in a second. Just give me 1 second. Vegan, plant-based foods, they have a very good carbon footprint. Whereas beef, chicken, dairy, eggs have very bad carbon footprint. Our idea is then to have one day, the Friday, to support the Fridays for Future movement with plant-based recipes. So in this post you see up here or below, we have 3 recipes: breakfast, lunch and dinner, all vegan style, that you can try out. Just give me 1 second. And yes, to support that movement and do your little thing to reduce the carbon footprint. All right, I hope you like the idea. Let us know in the comments here or on the blog. And then yes, see you next week. Bye bye.